Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: power supply capacity, connector types, and physical GPU fit. This prevents immediate hardware issues. Once done, confirm your CPU and 16 GB RAM won't bottleneck performance because a weak CPU limits GPU gains. Next, download the latest GPU driver from the vendor and update your operating system. These drivers enable game-specific optimizations. Make sure to have a stable internet connection for driver activation, and prepare screwdrivers and anti-static precautions for the install. You now install the GPU. Power down, remove the case panel, and seat the card firmly in the PCIe slot. Listen for the click. Once mounted and powered, boot and run the vendor installer, selecting a clean install. This removes old profiles that cause issues. After reboot, open the GPU control panel to set power and performance modes, enable or disable ray tracing, and set texture detail. These choices balance visuals and FPS. Remember to update Fortnite settings to match GPU capabilities for best results. You finish by configuring Fortnite. Choose performance mode, set resolution and frame rate target, and lower specific effects until you hit stable FPS. Then run a benchmark or a long play session while monitoring GPU temperature and utilization. This shows whether settings are efficient. If problems appear, take one key troubleshooting step. Roll back recent drivers first, then reseat the GPU and verify power connectors. If instability continues, make sure PSU meets wattage demands. Insufficient power often causes crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.